The Tesla Cybertruck, one of the most highly anticipated vehicles in automotive history, has been a symbol of innovation and controversy since its unveiling. The journey to bring this futuristic truck to life was nothing short of extraordinary. Over a 102-day period, Tesla engineers and designers worked relentlessly to turn Elon Musk's bold vision into reality. The Cybertruck's production process was unlike any other vehicle before it. Tesla adopted a radical approach to manufacturing, relying heavily on gigapress technology, a revolutionary die-casting process that streamlined production. This method allowed Tesla to manufacture large structural components with fewer parts, reducing complexity and increasing efficiency. The truck's exoskeleton, made from ultra-hard stainless steel, presented a unique challenge. Unlike conventional vehicles, the Cybertruck's body was designed to be highly durable while maintaining a sleek, futuristic appearance. The journey to build the Cybertruck was filled with technical hurdles. Engineers had to perfect the stainless steel alloy to ensure it met Tesla's durability standards while also maintaining a manufacturable design. The material was so strong that traditional stamping machines could not shape it, forcing Tesla to develop new techniques. In addition, the truck's bulletproof glass, which famously cracked during the original unveiling, required significant improvements. Tesla's team worked tirelessly to refine the design, conducting rigorous tests to ensure its durability matched the truck's rugged aesthetics. Throughout the 102-day process, Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas became the heart of Cybertruck production. The factory's advanced robotics and automation played a crucial role in assembling the truck's complex components. Tesla's use of artificial intelligence and real-time data analysis ensured precision at every step. Despite the challenges, the company maintained an aggressive production timeline, pushing boundaries in the automotive industry. Beyond engineering, the Cybertruck's development was a race against time. Public anticipation was at an all-time high, with millions of pre-orders from eager customers. Tesla's ability to deliver on its promise was critical to maintaining its reputation. As the final touches were applied, Tesla prepared for mass production, marking a major milestone in electric vehicle history. The 102-day journey to build the Tesla Cybertruck was a testament to innovation, resilience, and engineering excellence. It was not just about creating a new vehicle but redefining what a truck could be in the modern era. Tesla's relentless pursuit of perfection ensured that the Cybertruck was more than just a concept. It became a reality, ready to revolutionize the roads.